This is the Toyota 1HZ engine. It is the most reliable engine used worldwide, from warm, dry deserts to freezing, icy areas. Vehicles powered by these engines have been used to kill and displace millions of people worldwide. On the contrary, other group of vehicles powered by this very engine has saved millions of lives. By far, this is the most controversial engine ever made. Hey there, YouTube family! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you all the tips and tricks of the automotive world. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of engines and tell you about the Toyota 1HZ engine. We'll explore the design, specifications, applications, performance characteristics, maintenance, and the overall impact of the 1HZ engine. At the end, you will see what makes it the best engine preferred by millions worldwide. So let's get started. The Toyota 1HZ engine is a notable part of Toyota's legacy, particularly in terms of durability and performance in off-road and utility applications. Introduced in the early 1990s, this engine has garnered a reputation for its reliability and ruggedness, making it a popular choice among enthusiasts and professionals alike. 1. Engine specifications. The Toyota 1HZ is a 4.2-liter inline-six diesel engine, part of Toyota's renowned H-Series engine family. Its displacement is 4,163 cc or 254 cubic inches. With bore of 102 mm and stroke of 105 mm, it has a compression ratio of 22:1. It is a naturally aspirated engine, which uses a direct injection fuel system. This engine produces about 130 horsepower or 97 kilowatt at 4,000 RPM. It weighs about 240 kilograms or 529 pounds and produces about 285 Newton-meter or 210 pound-foot torque. The 1HZ engine features a cast iron block and aluminum cylinder head, providing a balance of strength and weight. The inline-six configuration offers smooth power delivery and inherent balance, reducing vibrations compared to four-cylinder engines. One of the key aspects of the 1HZ's design is its simplicity. With fewer moving parts than more complex engines, the 1HZ is easier to maintain and repair, which is a significant advantage in remote areas where professional service may not be readily available. The 1HZ engine is known for its fuel efficiency, especially given its size. The direct injection system improves combustion efficiency, allowing for better fuel economy while maintaining strong torque characteristics. Users often report fuel consumption figures ranging from 9 to 12 liters per 100 kilometers, depending on driving conditions and load. 2. Engine applications. The 1HZ engine has been widely used in various Toyota models, particularly in rugged applications. Key vehicles equipped with the 1HZ include Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series. The most famous application of the 1HZ, the Land Cruiser 70, is designed for off-road and heavy-duty use, making the 1HZ engine a natural fit. Toyota Hilux. In certain markets, the Hilux has been equipped with the 1HZ engine, making it suitable for both work and recreational purposes. Toyota Coaster. This bus model uses the 1HZ engine for its power and reliability in passenger transport. The versatility of the 1HZ engine has allowed it to find applications in various fields, including agriculture, mining, missionary and military use, where dependability and torque are essential. Number 3. Performance characteristics. The performance of the 1HZ engine is characterized by its strong low-end torque, making it suitable for towing and off-road driving. The engine's torque curve peaks early, allowing for effective acceleration even at lower RPMs. This characteristic is particularly beneficial in challenging terrains where low-speed power is crucial. One of the most significant attributes of the 1HZ engine is its reliability. Many owners report achieving high mileage without major issues. The engine's robust design and materials contribute to its longevity, making it a favorite in applications where engine failure is not an option. The 1HZ engine is also known to withstand harsh conditions, including extreme temperatures and rugged environments. This resilience is a key reason why the engine is often used in remote locations or for off-road adventures. Routine maintenance is crucial for the longevity of the 1HZ engine. Key maintenance tasks include oil changes, Regular oil changes using high-quality diesel engine oil are essential for maintaining engine health. Filter replacements. Engine oil and fuel filters should be replaced periodically to ensure proper fuel delivery and cleanliness. Cooling system maintenance. Keeping the cooling system in good condition is vital, especially in heavy-duty applications. Timing belt replacement. Adhering to the replacement schedule for the timing belt is crucial to prevent catastrophic engine failure. 4. Modifications and tuning. The 1HZ engine is often a candidate for various modifications and tuning, aimed at enhancing performance or adapting to specific applications. Common modifications include turbocharging, exhaust upgrades, and ECU tuning. While the 1HZ is naturally aspirated, many enthusiasts opt to install a turbocharger to increase power output. Turbocharging can significantly boost horsepower and torque, making the engine more capable in demanding situations. However, this modification requires careful tuning to maintain reliability. Upgrading the exhaust system can improve airflow, resulting in better engine performance. A less restrictive exhaust allows for improved turbocharger efficiency when applicable and enhances the engine's overall efficiency. For those looking for a more sophisticated approach, ECU tuning can optimize fuel delivery and timing, leading to increased performance. This modification is particularly effective when combined with other performance upgrades. Five. Market impact and legacy. The Toyota 1.8Z engine has left a significant mark on the automotive landscape, particularly in markets where reliability and off-road capability are paramount. Its applications in the Toyota Land Cruiser, a vehicle synonymous with off-road excellence, have solidified its reputation. The 1.8Z engine has found its way into markets around the world, particularly in regions such as Africa, Australia, and parts of Asia. Its reputation for durability in challenging conditions has made it a top choice for commercial and recreational vehicles in these areas. The 1HZ has a dedicated community of enthusiasts and owners who appreciate its capabilities. Forums, social media groups, and local clubs often share tips, modifications, and experiences related to the 1HZ engine. This community support enhances the ownership experience and provides valuable resources for maintenance and upgrades. In conclusion, the Toyota 1HZ engine is a prime example of engineering excellence, combining durability, reliability, and practicality. Its robust performance characteristics make it ideal for a wide range of applications, from off-road adventures to commercial uses. As Toyota continues to innovate and develop new technologies, the legacy of the 1HZ engine remains a testament to the brand's commitment to producing engines that stand the test of time. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability and efficiency, the 1HZ engine's simplicity and reliability offer valuable lessons. Its ability to perform effectively in a variety of conditions ensures that it will remain a relevant and respected engine for years to come. Whether in a Land Cruiser traversing rugged landscapes or a Hilux tackling tough jobs, the Toyota 1HZ engine embodies the spirit of adventure and resilience that has come to define Toyota's reputation in the automotive industry. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the Toyota 1HZ engine. We hope you have enjoyed our content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. As always, drive safe and stay tuned for our next video. Until next time, take care and happy driving.